Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you one of our most favorite sub recipe, fully loaded chicken sub. Let's get started. First we will start with the chicken marination. You will need 1 pound of boneless chicken, add half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half tablespoon red chili powder, and half tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix all of these ingredients nicely together. Once the chicken is marinated, we want to start cooking the chicken. Take a frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add our marinated chicken. After adding the chicken, give it one quick stir. Now add 1 cup of water. Once the water starts to boil, cover it up. Let it stay covered until the water dries up, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare the sauce. Take 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, add 2 tablespoons of warm water and a pinch of sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon of habanero sauce. If you do not have habanero sauce, you can take any other hot sauce that you like. Mix all of these ingredients together. Now we will put the sauce in a squeeze bottle. With this much sauce and chicken, you can make about 4 to 5 sandwiches. You can also refrigerate this sauce for up to 5 days. Now we will take the long sub buns, cut them from the middle. Make sure do not fully cut them, so that way we have support for all of the delicious ingredients that we are going to add. On the other hand, all of the water has been dried up. Our chicken is almost ready. Stir it a few more times and then take it out in an empty bowl. Now let's start to prepare our fully loaded sub. Add the prepared sauce, add a handful of lettuce, and a handful of baby spinach. Add cucumbers, add some tomatoes, add some olives, some bell pepper, and now add the prepared chicken. Now spread the sauce generously. The fully loaded chicken subs are ready to be served. These are delicious and very tasty subs. They taste a lot like Subway, but homemade is always better. Give this recipe a try. Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give this recipe a try. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so that way you can receive our new video as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.